that looks like a very dramatic scene, but get this, that's a taste of Question Period, the musical. The production calls itself a funky musical comedy about Canadian politics and Parliament, and even includes a classic rock ode to the GST. Hannah Thibodeau joins us now from Ottawa with more on the story. Your head's bopping away already.
I was bopping away. You know what? I want all MPs to sing like Broadway tunes when they stand up in the House of Commons. I think that would make it exciting.
Well, I have to tell you, Question Period for a lot of people either gives them a headache or makes them go to sleep. So tell me how this musical actually works.
Right. Well, this was a show idea conceived and written by a fella named Ed Gillis. He acts in this too, and it weaves together a series of skits and songs that popped into his head after working on Parliament Hill. So he used to work on Parliament Hill, made it easy for him to weave together some of these skits. Now, this is the show's second run in Ottawa. The first ran at Ottawa's Fringe Festival and won fan favorite and broke audience records, so you can see very popular. It's presented as a fundraiser for two charities, one an organization that uses theater to mobilize young people to enact global change, and then the other one is World Arts. It's an organization that educates people about global traditions and folklore. So, kind of cute. I watched it this morning.
Oh,
it was very entertaining.
Well, no, I love it. I saw hockey sweaters there, and I saw somebody who looked a lot like Elton John. So they're doing their best to sort of keep it hip and happening. But who came up with this idea in the first place?
Yeah, let me take a little bit through this. This follows the life of a fella named Finn. He's a rookie MP from the long-winded riding, let me get this down. Forest View, Riverside, Peacetown, Muckluck, St. Jean, Hippieville, Yummy Veganburg,
Probably are some ridings that have names as long as that.
Yeah. It's like, whoa, I wouldn't want to be the speaker to say that every day. Now, Finn wants to get a project done for his community, and he finds an ally in the government to help him get this done. But then he comes up with this big dilemma. He finds out his ally has an embarrassing secret, and he can't decide whether to go to his leader and tell him about it so that he can get in with his party's caucus, or if he wants to get this project done. Now, let's take a listen to this, because there's one point where they get into Question Period and the Speaker of the House stands up and they rap back and forth from the opposition to the leader's side. And this is how I want Question Period to be run tomorrow. Let's take a listen.
Okay.
Everybody jump, jump, jump. I'll say it again. The deficit's a sin, but I've been cutting tax so much that we know way to win. So I gotta go and cut public service for the people I think they don't really deserve it. They don't really earn it. I may as well burn it or give it to the wealthy ones that got working the permit to make it up a new tax credit every time you buy a double entertainment.
I want to see the Prime Minister get up and do that. So this is everything from raps to grunge rock to Broadway performances and even a Bon Jovi-esque ballad about the GST. So a lot of fun. Again, let's encourage our MPs to make things a little bit more hip and do a little bit of rap in Question Period.
You start the campaign, and I'm with you every step of the way.
Okay, sounds
Thanks,
good.
Hannah. Hannah Thibodeau in Ottawa.